on the sideline, I'm watching every move. There is no fake emotion, there's nothing left to prove. The clock is ticking down, the game is getting old. The truth is coming out, a story to be told. 'Cause the referee is watching, she sees the game so clear. The whistle's about to blow, the final moments here. Red card for the stories, red card for the lies. I see through every shadow, I see through the disguise. The match is over now, the score is finally set. I'm moving on to glory with no room for regret. You're chasing after phantoms in a world of SF, turning up the volume but acting like you're deaf. You wrote your own scenarios with names I don't recall, but real life is a mountain and you are feeling small. The crowd is going silent, the clock has reached the end. I'm a champion on my own.